Good PM, ngayon po ay Tuesday, August 6, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Tuesday, August 6, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number ang lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong August 6, 2024 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later' for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, August 6, 2024. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642 is 6.5 million pesos. Super Lotto 649 estimated jackpot price is 15.8 million pesos and Ultra Lotto 658 estimated jackpot price is 52 million pesos for August 6, 2024, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, August 6, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.